Produced by Rhythmatta Studios.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, how about a warm Lakeport welcome for your 2015 Lakeport Senior Center Hot August Nights and the LC Diamonds here at the beautiful gazebo stage.
All right. You broke my heart because I couldn't dance. You didn't even want me around. But now I'm back out to let you know I can really shake him down. 2, 3, 4. Oh, you love me. Well, you love me. Well, you love me. Do you love me now that I can't dance? Oh, watch me now. Hey! Well, worky, worky, baby. Well, you're driving me crazy. With a little bit of soul now. Oh, I can mash potato. I can do the twister. Come on and tell me, baby. How you like it like this? Tell me.
Donated by our awesome sponsors, and of course the car show ballot should all be turned in by 7:15. 7:15, all car ballots should be turned in to the car registration booth. Now back to my good friends, the LC Diamonds.
Marty, where are you? Everyone can hear you, but no one can see you.
It's a god thing.
Not at all.
Really?
No, he's a politician.
That's the same thing. Okay, let's time to wind up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
don't forget, folks, raffle tickets are on sale. We're going to do the raffle at about 7:30. You can get those raffle tickets right over here by the bar. You can see the bar because it has a big flag that says bar. You can also get them from Isabella Matina. Of course, she is Miss Lake County Outstanding Teen. You can't miss her. Very tall, beautiful, has a tiara and a sash. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the raffle portion of our program here. So, item number 1 is the Schwinn 3-wheel bike with basket. Is that correct, ladies? Verification? All right, here we go. This is donated by John Puchetti, Affordable Travel out of Kelseyville, California. Deluxes, D-O-L-O-X-E-S, Deluxes, folks. So if you're here, congratulations. All right, next is item number 2. This is the Coleman Portable Gas Barbecue, and this was donated by our very good friends, Judy and Al Reynolds. Very good. Here, why don't you say it?
Jose Whitren.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah. There's a happy man right there. We're going to turn this ticket over. You can verify that cell number. All right, item number 3. This is the anti-gravity lounge chair. Anti-gravity lounge chair. Item number 3. Krupp. You have just won the anti-gravity lounge chair. All right, this is a 1950s women's costume. Here we go. Item number 4.
Margaret Silvera.
Oh, Lakeport City Manager, Margaret Silvera. I know she's out there. I've seen her there today. Yep, come on up. So she will be wearing that costume next year. All right, item number 5. These 4 skating passes. This is donated by Snoopy's Home Ice out of Santa Rosa.
Ellen Karnowski.
Ellen Karnowski, congratulations on your passes to Snoopy's Home Ice out of Santa Rosa. All right, item number 6. These are 4 racing passes. 4 racing passes from our good friends at Lakeport Speedway.
All that's on the ticket is Bobby.
Bobby, you got 4 racing passes. Next up is the Lakeport Cinema 5 movie passes. These 6 movie passes for Lakeport Cinema 5. Our good friends down there on South Main.
Adam Smith.
Adam Smith for the Lakeport Cinema 5 movie passes. Right. Item number 8. This was the G-Rocks.
Carollo.
Look, there's a fan club. There's already a fan club. All right, next is item number 9. This is the portable toolbox. Portable toolbox.
Congratulations, Clark.
You're not Clark. You don't know. Is your name Clark? The person that's with you is Clark? All right. Portable toolbox. Man, you're on it. You got it. Congratulations. All right, item number 10 is the oil painting. This is the Kanakdai Moon.
Clark, don't go anywhere. You won this one too.
You won again. Hey, that's a testament to purchasing enough raffle tickets. You won 4 hours of mowing my lawn and doing my yard work. It's a character building process. Just kidding, you got a really nice painting. All right, next is the autographed photo of Bruce Bochy. And of course, he's the manager of the San Francisco Giants. Multiple championship Giants for you Dodger fans out there. Yeah, I know there's some Dodger fans out there. You're still hanging in the 80s because that's when you got your last ring. Oh, I know, it's brutal, it's brutal. Hey, this is for the autographed photo of Mr. Bruce Bochy.
Cadillac Pat.
Cadillac Pat. That can only be one person. Cadillac Pat. Cadillac Pat left about a half hour ago. Congratulations, Cadillac Pat. All right, item number 12. These are 4 tickets to the Sacramento River Cats.
Snodgrass?
I think that's a last name. If your first name is Snodgrass, you had a challenging upbringing, but I'm sure that's a last name. Snodgrass. Congratulations. 4 tickets, Sacramento River Cats. All right, our final raffle item before we move on to the Car Show Awards are 4 movie passes, again from our friends at Lakeport Cinema 5. Lucky number 13. Lucky number 13, 4 movie passes to the Lakeport Cinema 5 on South Main Street in Lakeport.
Kathy Vogel.
Kathy Vogel. 4 movie passes to Lakeport Cinema 5. And $20 cash. So hey, that's right, you've got some snacks to go with it. 4 tickets to the Oakland A's.
DW.
We have Happy Tales Dog Bakery. That's here in Lakeport, of course in Clear Lake as well.
Carolyn Williams.
Carolyn Williams. Happy Tales. Happy Trails. Happy Tales. It's more than just dog biscuits, ladies and gentlemen. It's Lakeport's very own dog bakery. Come on up, you can claim your prize. All right, we're going to move on to it's Car Awards time. First one is favorite car. All right, here we go. This is for the fan favorite car. Fan favorite car. And this is car number 3. This is a 1956 Buick. Owner, Mr. John Wilson. John Wilson is the fan favorite car with his 1956 Buick. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. John Wilson, he is the fan favorite car winner with his 1956 Buick. All right, next up is our fan favorite truck. Fan favorite truck. This is entry number 17, a 1928 Ford Roadster owned by Mr. T.J. Haynes. Mr. T.J. Haynes and his 1928 Ford Roadster. All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, your favorite truck winner, fan favorite, Mr. T.J. Haynes and his 1928 Ford Roadster. Congratulations, Mr. Haynes. All right, next, fan favorite motorcycle. Fan favorite motorcycle. This is entry number 48. This is a custom chopper, and the owner, Mr. Tom Vesconellos. All right, a very unique category, most likely to be pulled over, most likely to be pulled over. So this is entry number 63. This is a 1957 Chevrolet Corvette owned by Lee Campbell. Lee Campbell, most likely to be pulled over, 1957 Chevrolet Corvette. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Lee Campbell, most likely to get pulled over. And Lee, if you speed out of town tonight, even though I'm the mayor, I may not be able to get you out of that ticket. I'm just letting you know, because that's revenue. That's just revenue. That's all it is. Nothing personal, just revenue. It's very important here, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies' choice. This is a 1969 Mustang Fastback owned by Alan Thompson. Congratulations, ladies' choice, Alan Thompson, and that 1969 Mustang Fastback. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our final category in the car show. This is best of show, best of show. This was entry number 3. This is a 1956 Buick. I think that's all you have to say. 1956 Buick. Owner, Mr. John Wilson. Congratulations, Mr. John Wilson. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, before we get ready to get back and do a little bit of dancing for the LC Diamonds, let's bring our costume contest contestants up. Our costume contestants up right here in front of the gazebo right now. All of our costume contestants up in front of the gazebo right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to hear a round of applause. Young lady, could you raise your hand, please? Raise your hand, raise your hand. There you go. Give me some applause for her wonderful little costume. And the young lady directly beside you, young lady with the black scarf, could you raise your hand, please? Can we hear some applause? And the young lady directly beside you with that ponytail, please raise your hand. Can we hear some applause? The young man with the rolled up sleeves and the jeans right there. Hear your applause. And last but certainly not least, the young lady with the pink ribbon in her hair. Can I hear your applause, please, on the very end there? Young lady with the red hat. Can I hear your applause? I don't know, ladies and gentlemen, with the 1950s glasses, with that pink skirt and the ribbon in her hair, she is the winner right there. Step out front, pink ribbon in your hair. That is our contest winner for supporting. Thank you so much. All right, we're going to move on to the adults. Young lady, blue top, red flower in her hair. Ladies and gentlemen, by applause. Next to her in the red, white, and blue. And the very young lady next to her with glasses on right here in the red and white. The young lady in the teal polka dots. Ooh, I see a mean man's jacket going on right there. The young lady in the plaid skirt and the mean man's jacket going on right there. Uh-oh. This is a family environment. This is a family environment. All right, the young lady, brown polka dots and the lime green sash in her hair. This next young lady, I'm going to check her ID because I'm not sure she qualifies for the adult category or not, but the young lady in the beautiful pink scarf, teal and pink. All right, this next young lady, red rose, red rose, red rose. Ooh, she got some throttle on that one. All right, the next one here, we have a pink scarf and the pink top and the black traditional shirt. And look at those heels out on the grass right there right now. All right, next up, it's blue baby blue. Blue baby blue. Red hair and the blue skirt. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for old red and blue. All right, next up. There we go. That's a poofy skirt. I see that poofy skirt. It's the red and white. It looks like it's been. Yeah, there we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Red and white, red and white. All right, here we go. Red slippers, black and white polka dots, and the red sash. Apparently it's pink ladies. Pink ladies, pink ladies. Good grief. I have no idea. Who do you guys think? That's going to slice this pretty thin. Slice it pretty thin. All right, here we go. By round of applause. The black polka dot skirt and the red sash around her neck. By applause. On the left. My left, your right. Brown polka dots, green sash in her hair. Wow. Wow. Blue shirt, red flower in her hair. And the young lady with the most kicking shoes in Lakeport right now. Well, that makes it easy for me. It is the young lady with the scarf and the most kicking black and white shoes in Lake County right now. Congratulations. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hey, the sun's going down, the chemtrails are in the air, the smoke is clearing out, believe it or not.
If you need your event filmed and professionally produced, call Rhythm Matters Studios at 707-483-4792 or go to www.rhythmmatters.org.